Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Justin, and Justin is here just over 1 year from his surgery here at Natural Transplants. So, Justin, how you feeling today, man?
I feel great.
Tell us about your hair.
Yeah, it's weird having it all back.
We were looking at the old pictures, and man, it was like, wow.
Yeah,
you look a lot better. So I'll put the new picture or his old pictures on here so you can see the difference. But have people been saying anything? Have people noticed, or is it just kind of a gradual?
Oh yeah, I think everybody's noticed. They're like, hey, what are you doing with your hair? What's going on?
Awesome.
And all that good stuff.
What do you tell them? Do you tell them you had it done?
A lot of people your information, yeah.
Okay.
A lot of people.
It's funny, sometimes people can't put it together. They say, man, you look like you're working out, you're healthy, you're younger, but they don't figure out that you got your hair back. And that makes such a difference in your initial presentation, in your confidence, I'm sure, moving forward, right? Cool.
Absolutely.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
And you were
a
saying
lot of denial before about losing my hair.
Yeah. And then, of course, you can grow it to different lengths, right? So you've been experimenting with kind of growing it longer, shorter.
Absolutely.
Cool.
No restrictions with that. The scar's so small in the back that I could cut it down very low.
Good.
You can't see it at all.
Awesome.
And you closed it up so well that the doctor wanted your information.
Oh, yeah.
The sutures because they had no idea
Awesome.
how you closed it up that well.
Awesome. Awesome. Let's
Yeah.
show off your hair a little bit, man. If you mind just, yep, exactly. Let's turn it to the left or right side and just hold it there for a second. Cool. And then let's do the other side same way. Yes, sir. You can't even see the scar at that length. You're doing a nice fade. Whatever your barber's doing, they're doing a good job. Let's see it from the top, man. Can you put your chin down to the chest? Wow. Look at the difference between his old and his new picture. Wow. That is game changer, man. Justin, so happy for you, man. Are you happy?
I appreciate it.
Are you happy you did it? Any regrets? You do it again?
No regrets. I would do it again.
You'd probably do it sooner if you could do it again.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Awesome, man.
You hear a lot of, I'm glad I did a lot of research. Had I gotten it done in California, I was quoted a completely different price, and I was told that I would need multiple surgeries or whatever. So I'm glad I just did a lot of research and found you guys.
Great. Justin, so happy for you, man, and thanks for being an ambassador for our clinic as well. Appreciate it.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, man. Take care. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.